Hello again, this is Bruce Armstrong, and I am a volunteer with the Senior Computer Tech Center in Longmont, Colorado. And this is a part of an entire series of videos on recording and editing collaborative music videos. This is the second one in the series of the MuseScore, and this shows you the complete thing. So I'm going to share the screen. Now I'm going to start the MuseScore. So this works. Okay, here's the full score of the piece that we were talking about in the second video, where it's completely done. Notice that we've got all the embellishments in here, all of the dynamics, various and sundry things. There's a key change in this particular one as you go through the thing. Key change later on here. Here it goes into the key of E flat. So here's where the double bar is in the E flat. So anyway, you can play this thing and it should give you a fairly good representation of what the final is going to be like. Now, at the top here, what I've got the soprano, alto, tenor, bass, and piano. I got that by going to the file selection up here in the upper left-hand corner, and I chose parts, and you pick which part you want, like soprano, and I say okay, and it will automatically put it up here. So now that once I've got the parts created, I can go to a part, and the normal thing is if you want to save it as, it'll come up with a, excuse me, that wasn't the one I want. I want export file, export, and the one that comes up as the default is the PDF file. Now, in this particular case, we want a music audio file. So I go to the drop down here and I pick MP3 because it's the only audio that you can send via email easily. And then I can just save it, and it will save the soprano part as an MP3. Now I've already done that, so I'm not going to do another copy of it. But you do that for all of the parts, the alto, the tenor, the bass, and the piano. And so the piano accompaniment, that is. So that's basically what you do to prepare everything for the next step, which we'll go into, is combining those single recordings with the piano accompaniment and a metronome or click track that goes along with it that'll give the singers a background to keep their beats correctly. So anyway, that's the basis for the creating the videos for, or excuse me, the audios for MuseScore.